Hi. If you found this video, it's probably because you're in a world of hurt right now with your finances, like a lot of people are in the country. And you're also probably wondering, why on earth is an insurance agent telling me about the CARES Act? Hi, I'm Debbie Hoffman, and I'm the CEO of HIR Insurance Agency. And what we do is we help people navigate their health insurance, Medicare insurance, employer group plans, but most of all, we're there for you when things like this happen. So we've had a lot of clients that have called us, and we're helping them navigate what their options are to keep going, keep a roof over your head, and keep food on the table, and possibly keep that health insurance plan that you might need. Maybe even put you in a better plan than you were in before. So it's definitely some choppy waters out there. We understand it. So we've done a little homework for you already. And basically, we're going to separate it into three categories. If you are employed or you were employed and you had employer group plan, well, you can just file for unemployment. That's easy. In California, go to the EDD and file for your unemployment. You will get the maximum based on whatever salary you were on. And then you're supposed to get, with the CARES Act, an extra $600 a week. And I'm sure it's going to go by what your income was. Now, if you were on a health plan with the company, you're going to get a letter from COBRA. And that opens up a window for you to get a health plan, either on the exchanges, which Covered California is in California, or healthcare.gov, or direct to the carriers because you have a special circumstance. And so, again, we help you navigate which one would be best for you, especially if your income is going to be dropping, right? We need to be able to get some help with that premium, and we know how to do it. We have a saying over here that friends don't let friends go to Covered California by themselves. So we want to be with you on that journey, let me tell you. Plus, we're there for you after we place the plan, which is also really important. Now, second category would be, what happens if you're a sole proprietor? If you are either get 1099s from a lot of different companies that you work with, or if you have a Schedule C, that you have your own business, you sell tchotchkes at the flea market. Who knows? I like tchotchkes. And you are supposed to be able to file for unemployment also, or apply for the loans that are coming out. Now, I've already been on California's unemployment website to see, just so I can investigate, because we're researchers. I wanted to see if that was already the case. And they've got this little thing up on their website. I had to print it out so I could read it, because I don't even know what this term is. It's they're saying, at this point, they don't have the information on their website for self-employed people. They know that the government said they're going to do it, but they are waiting for receive overarching, I don't know what that means, from the Department of Labor. They need further details. They don't have it on their website. So that was just like a waste of time. So anyway, just keep in touch with all of our different platforms, our social media platforms. We have, of course, this blog. We're on Facebook. We're on Instagram. We're on Twitter. And just look, and we'll let you know. We're checking it all the time, and we'll let you know when that feature is updated on there. But you also have the ability to do what the companies do now. So that's the third category. If you're a company, you have a business, you have an S Corp, C Corp, you have LLC, LLPs, or whatever that determination is. And if you have employees, especially, you, along with the self-employed people, can now apply for a loan / maybe grant. Loan has a little bit of interest. I think it's 1%. The grant, you don't have to pay back, but there are certain stipulations to who has to pay that back and who doesn't. But guys, we're trying to keep you going for right now. Remember, that's the main issue. We got to keep a roof over your head and food in your mouth. That's our goal. And maybe even keep your health insurance plan. That's also, at this time, yeah, that's pretty important too. Okay, so there's two ways you can apply for this loan or grant. Number one way, if you have a relationship with your bank already, you can apply through them. You actually can get a $25,000, what they call emergency lump sum of money. However, little asterisk, the problem we're hearing is if you don't have debt with that bank, you get put to the end of the line. Go figure. I don't get it either. So there's some really upset people out there right now because of that. But again, you can apply for the $25,000 of emergency funds. The second way is to go to the SBA. Now, we spent a couple of hours on there already, and we put it in our blog, which go to our website, go to HIR.com, scroll down. There's our recent blog about COVID-19 and the CARES Act. I updated it so you can see it in red. It's updated with the 4 funding options, and then apply for the SBA loan. And I've already done it, and it's easy. There is a checkbox on there. Check here if you want the $10,000 emergency money to be sent. I can't imagine who's not going to check that box. Who knows? But anyway, you got to check the box if you want the emergency funding, which we're hearing the emergency funding does not have to be paid back. We're hearing that. So again, this is all like a work in progress, but this is more up to date. So guys, I would suggest, I went on the SBA. I do have a relationship with a bank, and I went on there to apply and never heard from them. And it's been a couple of days. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to go in the SBA because I have employees that I want to keep working. They are so valuable. Our back office staff is amazing. And when you work with us, you'll know what I mean. We don't just place your plan and let you go and swim on your own. Oh, no, no, no. We are there. We have a whole staff of angels. So what to do? Easiest thing, call us. 323-455-4961. That's the easiest thing to do. You want to check it out first, go to the website, scroll down, look at the blog, apply. And if you want unemployment, just go to your local statewide unemployment agency. And if we don't have your insurance, we would love to earn your business. So if you are compelled, just give us a call. We don't charge anything other than what the insurance companies pay us, and we would be happy to be your advocate and help you through this process. Stay home and stay safe.